My name is Sharon Lepkoffer. I always knew that I had sleep apnea because my husband used to complain when I snored. I came, met Dr. Spoon. He explained a little further about all the different types of mouthpiece appliances. I think Dr. Spoon is incredible because he spends one-on-one time with you, explaining everything. The team here, they squeezed me in because I realized I was going to New York. So I can't say enough about Dr. Spoon. He is really terrific, and he has always found time for me. He called me the very next day to review my results. He definitely takes an interest in the follow-up of the patient.